This is the new pooch tool. I'm calling it that because it looks like a little dog sitting. Some people call it the lamina groove tool. You can see there are several working surfaces on this. So if we were to pretend that this purple pen was actually the spinous processes on someone, so I could treat muscles that are further out, or by doing a twist and then moving along the spinous processes, or whatever thing you're treating, you can come in closer. Same thing if this was a muscle. If you want, you can get in, just like this, and actually really twist the muscle, can sort of snake between as you're going by. You can get a really good release on it. So you can see that this tool would be a little bit wide for this person to get right into the lamina groove. So by turning my wrist, turning the tool like this, I can get those treating prongs right into the lamina groove, or back and forth. So no matter whether the person's small, or if it's large, or if I was wanting to get more of, almost the insertions on the transverse process, I could keep this a little wider. So you could do a few passes wider if the person's body is appropriate, and you could make a few passes with the tool twist turned a little bit so that your treating area is narrower. So this, I'm calling it so far the lamina groove tool, although it is several tools in one. These prongs right here move beautifully along the lamina groove. These ones back here, you can actually turn the tool sideways, and let's say if you were doing a leg, you can use those prongs as a guide, so it'll stay a certain distance away from the edge of the leg, and these will work along, for example, the hamstrings, and these will be acting as a guide for the tool alongside the leg. So palm of the hand goes in here. It seems very logical and comfortable for your finger to go through there when you're working. And then of course you would hold it a little differently if you were working on the leg and trying to use those. This tool, I'm sure, is going to turn out to have many, many uses. I'm sure that you'll find some of them, and please let me know. These prongs up here, again, you can use your judgment. I even lay on this sometimes to do some self-therapy. I'll have the tool sitting up like this and lay on it. I can put my palm on the tool here if I want the tool to be less aggressive, and my sacrum will be laying on here, my SI joints right on those joints. And if I move my hand out, it's a little more aggressive. You can also put your fist underneath the buttocks on the opposite side, and that will help support some of your weight so it's less aggressive. You can see that this profile of the tool will fit people's limbs. This arm is just about exactly the right size. If you had someone with a thinner calf, thinner leg, you can do this and work them pretty well.
I'm not really quite use this, the flatter one.
Use this one.
This is too round for this one.
Did you try this one yet?
I had it done on me.
And I don't think
This side?
you were here when I was showing them, but if you turn that at a little bit of an angle as well.
Or this
No,
side?
no,
I
same
did the right side, right?
Yeah, but just twist your hand a little bit. No, not tilt. Actually twist. See, now you have you're closer to the spinous processes.
Oh, look at that.
And in this position, you're further out. So if you want to treat out further, or if the person has bigger spinous processes.
Okay. And what about going up into the
This tool is so new that I don't know what all it's going to do, but does that feel good?
Yeah. I think it feels great. And going up into here too.
Yeah.
Right in those suboccipitals.
Yeah.
Because you know what? You use your thumb up in here, And it hurts. Yeah. Feels good, right, Karina? Wow.
Do not believe me. We are not in the church. Just try. It's fantastic. I am just in the school and I have so... Look, my finger. And I just make 135 massages. I'm not now professional. And I have pain. But with this, why I have to push, deep tissue massage. But the tools, super.
That's good. Yeah,
just try.
Try my. Oh, wow.
I told you and I repeat. Do not believe me.
That feels so good.
Just try. It's an easy work and it's more effective for your clients. It's.
I think this is the one that she's getting to.
I'm not the person who believes something.
Wow.
I don't believe nothing. I have
You're
to.
skeptical, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I have to try everything.
Oh, I am so sore up there.
Yeah.
That felt good.
Yeah. It's super.
That felt really good.